I'm Danielle, and welcome to this enchanted house. So today, welcome to my first unboxing video. First off, this is not a paid sponsorship in no way. This is something I bought for myself. It's kind of, well, actually my husband bought it for me because he knows what I like. And it is somewhat of a frivolous purchase, but so let's get into it. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I have drink night with my husband. My husband is very much into doing craft cocktails, and I am the lucky recipient who gets to try them. And so we've been exploring, different ingredients and different spirits for different drinks. And you will also notice I am a lover of gin and gin drinks. I love a good gin and tonic, but also, bee's knees and aviation, and my go-to on every time there is a full moon, a Bella Luna. So we've been exploring this as a hobby, and trying out different spirits. And gin seems to kind of be my favorite, though I also do like rums, and I've just started getting the scotches and whiskeys a little bit. But so gin is sort of my go-to. So we've been trying out different gins because gins vary a lot by flavor. They all have a juniper taste, but then the botanicals beyond that are up to the maker. So one of the gins I really do like is Hendrick's. It's one of the good ones for gin and tonic. It has a kind of a cucumbery taste to it, so it's really nice and refreshing, especially when it's hot out. But my favorite of theirs was actually they did a summer solstice special edition, which I love. It has some really great floral notes. And so they come out with special editions every so often. And this year they came out with one that was called Lunar. So it was moon. It's moon. It is moon themed. And my wonderful witchy self was like, because Hendrick's has this already sort of steampunk aesthetic. It's very old-fashioned-y looking. They use old type and old style graphics for their products. So I'm excited. I have not got my hands on the bottle of it yet. It just came out last week, and I have not had a chance to go to so confession. Since I live in Michigan, Michigan is a liquor control state. It's really hard to get things here sometimes. I'm hopeful since the other ones were actually pretty easy for me to find, I'll be able to find this one too. But it might be a little bit delayed because it has to go through the liquor control board, and then they sell it to the stores. But I'm going to go out and look. So the other thing we've kind of come across is a lot of these spirit companies or these liquor companies do a lot of neat promotional stuff. I have a lot from Crack and Rum. We have a print from them. And I have back there, if you can see it, that tentacle thing with the shot glasses is from them. Hendrick's has done some neat ones too. They did this amazing exercise bike, and if I had the extra $3,000 to drop on it, I would have bought one. Seriously, exercise companies, take note. Stop making your machines look like futuristic torture devices. Pretty. Look at how pretty this is. I would ride this all the time. That said, for Lunar, they produced a moonbathing kit. That's sort of the gimmick for this, is that you drink it while moonbathing. And moonbathing actually is a thing. It's, going out enjoying the light of the moon or bathing in the light of the moon. You won't get as tan, but it has less risk to your skin too, I guess. So they had a kit, and it was $100, which is probably overpriced, but yeah. My husband got me one. So, welcome to my first unboxing video. I've actually never planned to do an unboxing video. This just happened to arrive the day before I was taping this. So, and just to clarify again, I am not sponsored by Hendrick's in any way. Household money was spent on this. This is something I was going to buy for myself regardless, but I thought it'd be interesting to unbox it. Look at this box. I mean, I just love the box. Definitely going to keep the box. So let's check out our moonbathing kit. So I did take it out of the box it was mailed in because I wanted to make sure I didn't know what it was. And we're like, this mystery box showed up. It's like, oh, it got here already. So let's check out the Moonbathing Kit. Okay, so first up, oh, this is the blanket. So I am a sucker for a fuzzy throw. My whole family loves fuzzy throws. Oh my gosh, this is really soft. This is really nice. This is a lot. It looks like wool almost. I don't know. I mean, it's got the fringe. It's got the little lunar thing. I mean, it's just a plain blue blanket, basically, but it's nice and soft, and it's kind of on the thin side. I think it's supposed to be like this is what you spread out like a picnic blanket, maybe, but still, that's really nice. Okay, let's kind of fold that back up. All right, got some bubble wrap here. It's the next layer. All right, so they have this little card here, the second limited release from Hendrick's Cabinet of Curiosities, which is sort of their promotional thing for these limited time gins. Creative botanicals that flourish below the light of the moon, Lunar offers a delicate balance of gentle spice and subtle floral notes with a soft citrus finish. Savor it casually and nocturnally at home or during starry nights with friends. Once in a blue moon release, but it actually wasn't a blue moon. The blue moon happened back in October, but Carpe Noctem, seize the night. Enough seizing the day, let's seize the night. So behold your Moonbathing Kit. Contains all necessary and not so necessary yet delightful items for calming ritual. Moonbathing blanket, moon screen, highball glasses, moon goggles, moonstone, and stirring spoon. How does one moonbathe? We thought you'd never ask. Prepare your cosmic cooler and visit their website for a delightfully particular moonbathing instructional video. And I'll post a link to the site below. So the cosmic cooler is lunar, lime juice, simple syrup, and club soda. So variation of so simple. And they garnish it with a cucumber spear because, like I said, their gin has a very cucumber note to it. So first off, oh my goodness, look at these. These are very nice. These are really heavy. This is cut glass. I mean, it has a little H for Hendrix on it. But these are really nice. I always appreciate when a glass has a bit of heft to it. Like even the bottom's got this really pretty cut design on it. I'm going to kind of hold it up like you guys can see. It's got that. Yeah, these are gorgeous. And next up is the spoon. So this is a cocktail spoon. It's kind of got this neat little thing here, and it's got the H for Hendrix on it. Ooh, look at that. Look at the top. It spins. I don't know how useful this is as a spoon. It's kind of top heavy, which is kind of, I don't know. My husband's the one who makes the cocktail, so maybe I'll have him try it out and then let you know. If you're curious, you can comment below and I'll ask him to try it out and tell you what he thinks. But it's a really gorgeous spoon. I mean, so next up, the goggles. Steampunk Me loves goggles. So these are like, I'm going to say right now, these are like quality of like you would get at Spirit Halloween. But then so are these. They do have that pretty kind of, the same kind of iridescence as these. They got the cushion thing on them. So these are actually probably a little more comfortable to wear than the ones I'm wearing now, actually, even. It says Hendrick's Lunar on the thing. They're cute. They're fun. They're an extra thing. They got this nice little buckle detail at the top. It's something fun to throw in. Next up is our Moonstone. I, as a witch, love stones. Moonstone's one of my favorites. And I don't know. This is not what I expected from Moonstone. So Moonstone is a symbol of new beginnings. As we leave 2020 behind and open up all that lies ahead, Moonstone is the perfect symbol of that transition. It is a stone of inner growth and strength and is said to soothe emotional instability and stress and stabilize the emotions, providing calmness. I don't know. I'm kind of like this. Let me show you guys here because this doesn't look like Moonstone to me. Like, it's not what I usually think of when I think of Moonstone. Moonstone's usually sort of this pretty cloudy white stone. If I can get this bag open. Yeah, okay, so here's where my question is, and I'm going to maybe throw this out there. If you are a person who's into gems and stones, let me know what you think based on this video, I guess. But usually I don't think of Moonstone having these black deposits, and I wonder if that's just the Moonstone was connected to something else, or if this is something other than Moonstone. Kind of, it's got like when I look through it, it's got like kind of that veiny, cloudy thing going on. Like the back. So I don't know. Did they jip me on the Moonstone of all things? Moonstone is not a particularly expensive stone as far as rocks go. So I don't know. I usually kind of rely on the expertise of others for this. So if you know that this is not what Moonstone's supposed to look like, let me know. Or if this is what Moonstone's supposed to look like, let me know down below in the comments. I would definitely appreciate your help. And then finally, we've got the Moon Screen, which I think is basically just moisturizer that's been scented. It says the same botanicals as the gin. I don't have the gin yet to try it. So if I get the gin, maybe I'll let you guys know. Maybe just on Instagram, I'll make a post or something. Let you guys know if it's the same. Got a similar nose. Though, honestly, sometimes medium makes a difference, so maybe it would smell different because it's a lotion as opposed to gin. But, got that off. Let's see what we got here. Well, it smells pretty good. I'm getting the cucumber for sure. Something floral, maybe jasmine? I don't know. But, so that's it. That is my the unboxing. Oh, look at it. I'm gonna show you guys this. Show you inside the lid really quick. So it says conceived under the influence of moonlight. So this is the box, and this is my unboxing video. So there you have it. My first unboxing video. Who knew? I'll say maybe this was worth the cost. It's just those glasses. These are gorgeous. Gorgeous glasses. Hi, Danielle from the future. I did get my hands on a bottle of the Hendrick's Lunar Gin, and I really loved it. Like most Hendrick's, it's cucumber forward. It has that note of juniper that you get in all gins, and then there's these really great floral notes that kind of remind me of jasmine, but it's not really jasmine. So I really did like it, and if you see it, I recommend getting it. As for the box, I want to kind of correct myself here and say, yeah, it might be worth $100 because going back and finding out that blanket was cashmere. Yeah, that's really nice. And the glasses are gorgeous, and then there's a bunch of all that other little stuff. So I don't know if the box is for everyone, but I don't think it's like a scam or anything. I think you're getting what you pay for when you send in that $100, and it's still available last I checked on the Hendrick site. So if you want one, go ahead and check them out. Okay. So, if you're interested in Hendrick's Gin, you can go check out their site, and they're usually regular Hendrick's is available widely. Keep an eye out for the special editions. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'd love to hear about your favorite cocktails, or your thoughts on the kit, or your thoughts on the moon. Just if you want to say hi, go ahead, comment below. Also, if you like this video, please check out my other videos. And if you like those videos, please subscribe and stay in the loop. I would love to connect with you guys on social media. I have links to my Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter below. I also have a Patreon that's sort of in the start phases, just like this channel. So if you want to check that out, and if you want to help me out with $1 or so, that'd be great. Otherwise, I hope you guys have an enchanted day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!